Hi, in this video, what I want to talk about is the blues. It's loved internationally, and it's very simple to play. It's only 3 chords. And what I would recommend for any musician or any guitar player that's getting started is to keep it simple. What you want to do first is feel the chord changes, and then you progressively start becoming more complicated in your playing, and that will just build a foundation for you. So check this out. Okay, so let's talk about what I just did. The first time through, I just kept it pretty simple. You can pretty much figure that out. And that's what I was saying earlier, is with the blues, keep it simple so you can feel the chord changes. So the second time around, I just pretty much was just working a pentatonic. The regular pentatonic scale. Right? And then what I did when we went to that 4, what I did there, and I like to use it a lot, is just go up to the key of C, that's a C7, and just act like I'm playing in the key of C. And what I use is a C blues scale. And the lick was, and after that, we went to the G major 7, and I did this. And it sounds like a lot, but what it is this chord here. I just took it up here. And the reason I do that, because it just kind of extends the song, the melody, and it just gives it a different flavor. So we went here to the A minor 7. This is A minor 7 here. To a B minor 7, B minor 7 here. And it was just a harmony thing off of a G major pentatonic, which is, I just did the harmonies. And that's all I did. Then I went back to the blues. There's so many ways you can do this. You can even say off of that G major 7, you can. So many ways, but once you get the basics down, everything will just fall in place for you.